Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, because the car must power its dash systems for the reset. Once done, press and hold the odometer/trip SET or 0. 0 button on the instrument cluster. This tells the ECU you intend to change service settings. Make sure the driver door is closed and the vehicle has a healthy battery above 12 volts, so the reset sequence completes without interruption and the display will respond reliably. You should continue by holding the SET or 0 button for roughly 10 seconds. This is the specific action that prompts the system to clear the service flag. While you hold, watch the instrument cluster for the spanner icon to flash, a countdown, or the service message to change, because those indicate the ECU is accepting the command. Once the display shows zeros or a confirmation message, release the button. Doing so finalizes the command and prevents an incomplete reset that would leave the light active. You finish by turning the ignition off and then back on to verify the service light has cleared, because a restart ensures the change persisted. Make sure to take a brief drive or check the trip display so systems reinitialize and the lamp stays off. If the service light returns, it likely means a stored fault, low battery, or incomplete reset. In that case, scan the vehicle with an OBD2 reader or consult a dealer to read fault codes and address the underlying issue before attempting another reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.